Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step solution of this math problem by using the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says which dictates the correct order of operation. First we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for, or we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponent. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Now according to the BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now to solve the first step, solve the square root first. So now root 81. Since we know that 9 multiplied by 9 is equal to 81. So the answer is 9. The expression becomes 100 plus 20% multiplied by 9 multiplied by 10. Move to the next step. Apply the BODMAS order of operation. We must perform the multiplication before addition and convert this percentage to a fraction or a decimal. So 20 is 20 upon 100. We can cut the zeros and it becomes 2 upon 10 and it is become in decimal 0.2. Now multiply the terms 0.2 multiply by 9 and multiply by 10. Now simplify the multiplication. Use a Vedic math or a mental trick. 0.2 multiply by 10 first to easily eliminate the decimal. So now 0.2 multiply by 10, it becomes 2. And now multiply by remaining numbers. So 2 multiply by 9 and it becomes 18. Now expression becomes 100 plus 18. And finally we add the values. 100 plus 18, it becomes 118. So 118 is the final result. Now according to this expression, by using the BODMAS sequence, the final simplified value of this expression is 118. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.